What's up, boys and girls? Human from Pastime Sports live at Toronto Expo, doing a box of Upper Deck Series 2 17-18 for my good friend Peter. So Peter said pick a box. I picked the top box, and we're giving away 2 packs each. So let's go. Here we go. This is a special for you guys. Everyone else is giving 1. We are giving you 2 packs. So take advantage of that. It's good when you have hookups here. And they hook you up. So you get 2 each. Good luck, Peter. Here we go. Every couple of packs I open, I'm going to look at the chat and see what you said. Oh, that's a bad start. Travis Sanheim, Program of Excellence. Travis Sanheim, Program of Excellence. I know Peter doesn't want his base, so we'll just donate it to a bunch of kids in here. And Peter, since I have to ship your stuff, I'm going to take your stuff with me. Samuel Girard, Young Guns. Rainbow, Brandon Lemieux. See you and get you a retro. Come on, a retro acetate. UD Portraits, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Nico Hischer.
All right, guys.
Marquee Rookie. Young Guns, Andre Potolorski.
At 2,200. Fill out the ballot free. You have 15 minutes, and then we'll announce the winner at 4 p.m. Once again, Ultra Pro contest.
UD Canvas, Artemi Panarin.
Crossover break zone 1,800 or universal distribution area 2,200. Fill out the ballot free. Also, when you're in the universal area.
JT Comfort. Ooh, nice. Fluorescence and the JT Comfort Young Guns. JT Comfort Young Guns and a blue fluorescence. 43 out of 50. Luke Kunin. Program of Excellence and a fluorescence. Not bad. So far, so good. Gonna update and see what the chat is saying. Giovanni Fior. Marquee Rookie. Okay, no comments there other than no problem, bro. Travis Sanheim again. Retro, Marquee Rookie. Robert Hagg, UD Portraits. Hayden Fleury, Marquee Rookie. Brandon Saad, Marquee. Or, sorry, not Marquee. Just the OPG update. Drayden Hunt, Young Guns. Young Gun Checklist. Nico sorry, Clayton Keller and Nolan Patrick. Why did I say Nico Hischer? And Will Butcher, Marquee Rookie. Young Guns haven't been super. And the first base pack. Rasmus Anderson, UD Portraits. Jack Rodwald, Young Guns. Clear cut Young Gun would be nice too. UD Canvas, Ryan Callahan. Anders Bjork, Marquee Rookie Retro. 3 packs left, plus your Expo packs. Victor Arvidsson, Canvas. Tage Thompson. And your last pack is... oh, you got 2 base packs. Boo. Okay, let's continue the trend for the Spring Expos. Sadly, didn't get you the big names there, but let's see if we can get something cool from the Expos. Okay, here you go. First one. Oh, wow, we got an autograph. 12 out of 25, Paul Martin. And why not? 39 out of 75, priority signings, Clayton Keller. There you go, buddy. Clayton Keller, priority signings to 75. And a Connor Murphy, 25 out of 25. Wow, 5 for 5. Let's go 6 for 6. 6 for 6, yeah, 6 for 6. Wow. 8 out of 25, Ryan Suter. And Ville Husso, 64 out of 75. And an Eric Goodbranson, 9 out of 25. Wow, 6 for 6. I guess you get an autograph in every pack. I can't be that super hot hands. Can I? Can I be that super hot hands? Chris. Oh, so why did I say Chris? That is my man, Peter. Peter. There you go, buddy. Hopefully you like that, Peter. Thanks for your purchase.